I mean, we'll treat it just like everything else.
Yeah. All right, man.
She needs her medical attention if she can't walk or stand. Are you standing by it or no? All right.
I'll go try to see. Yeah. I'm sure that name. Give me some.
She's a what? Alameda?
Yeah, he's a councilmember.
I mean, they can check you out immediately. Make sure everything's good with you. Make sure you're not. They're going to check you out. If you want to refuse services,
a name tag around her. It says Alameda councilman, Alameda something. I don't know what it is. I can't see it. She's still unresponsive.
yeah. I mean, I'm just going to treat this as a medical, not a...
Yeah. Oh, yeah. No. I'm more concerned about her well-being on this point. Especially... when she hit, she probably fell. She not responsive on the ground, not even like them. By the time we get here, she walked from, I guess, the metro area, a little bit north along here. But that's where we found her. She does have a name tag around her. There's a big convention out here the next 2 nights. So she has a
units to handle?
Who's 136?
1 out of 36.
There we go.
1 out of 36. said City of Alameda?
It said Alameda on her badge. Council member.
I'd call the WC just run it past them. I'll call
It's just a
them.
medical emergency.
Yeah. Let me know if you get a name on her.
Oh, I have her name.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
It says on her little badge. I contacted her earlier in front of the 7-Eleven.
Okay.
And she just kept she was a little like weird. She looked out of place. But she just kept saying thank you, like thanking us for our service, and that was it. So Trisha Herrera Spencer, the bouncer said that the bystander who was walking her said that she was staying at the Hyatt. That's not for sure.
Okay.
So the guy was trying to walk her there to help her, and then she just like knocked out. So Alameda, Trisha Herrera Spencer.
So, County of Alameda?
That's what it says on her badge.
All right. And it said City Council?
Council member.
Council member.
Yes.
All right. Trish or Trish? But it's Trisha Spencer hyphen Herrera. Herrera Spencer. But we don't have a date of birth or anything. She was unresponsive.
And I didn't. She had first, but I didn't.
All right.